Remove all quick release accessories from the chair, including the backrest, cushion, armrest, front rigging, and wheels. Tilt the chair to the most upright or level seating position available. Flip the chair over for better access to the strut mount assembly. Remove the fastener at the rearward end of the strut at the strut link. When removing the fastener, support the weight of the lower frame. Remove the fastener at the forward end of the strut at the upper frame strut mount. Remove the cable mounting fastener and remove the cable. To ease removal and later reinstall, loosen the cable turnbuckle. Remove cable end fitting. Obtain a new gas spring assembly and check to ensure its end fitting and release lever are properly positioned. Refit the cable onto the new gas spring. Reinstall cable mounting fastener and tighten securely. Reinstall the cable end fitting. Lengthen the cable turnbuckle. Check to ensure the release lever is adjusted properly. Reinstall the fastener at the forward end of the strut. Tighten cable turnbuckle jam nut. Note the orientation of the strut end fitting. Reposition lower frame until fastener slides into place.